The pads are new. The rear pads and discs are new. You would really need the front disc. They're rusted. There's backing plates missing at the back. Exhaust is blowing. Interior is a fair wear and tear. On it's done 62,000 miles. They replaced the timing belt. Roof has some scratches on it, and it looks like we'll be a long way up, so that's why I will just do a video. Recommended at some point soon front discs as well, but that's just a recommendation. There's some old plastic things are missing from here, from the bumper and engine tray, but that's it's got a refurb gearbox on. All them suspension parts has corrosion. Exhaust is blowing around there. The metal is peeling off right there. You can see it has a bit of excessive corrosion on it. Nothing seems to be too dangerous to me. It's just on suspension parts. You can see at the back as well. I will report that back through the pictures. But yeah, so I just wanted to see that for you to see. They've also been bleeding brakes. There's something wet around there. That's a disc condition. It's been stationary somewhere, maybe flooded somewhere, or in Scotland, who knows. But I mean, that's just again subjective. What I would be replacing both lower arms. There you go.